Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is an Indian education trust which was founded on November 7, 1938 by Dr. K. M. Munshi. Vidya Ashram is inspired by the ideals and objectives of Bhavan's faith to impart value education to the students and make them conscious and feel proud of the glorious cultural heritage, values, and traditions. The first academic session of the school commenced on April 5, 2010. This school was a gift to the people of the Jaipur on the completion of 25 years of the first school of Bhavans located at K. Munshi Marg, Jaipur. We are proud of our continual goal of providing an excellent education for our students. We have a dynamic, hard-working faculty who are involved in education to benefit your child. We aim to give every student in our care the very best possible education in order to prepare them for life beyond school. Our school provides a broad and differentiated curriculum that caters for varied interests and abilities. At the same time, our vision of a school extends beyond the classroom. We encourage our students to involve themselves in the broad co-curricular program. Learning here takes place in many shapes and forms. Students have the opportunity to participate fully on the sporting field, on the stage, in leadership activities, and much more. We encourage our students to aim high in their studies, to work hard, and to be sensitive to the rights and need to others. The aim of Bharati Vidya Bhavan is to make students self reliant and to enable them to face the challenges of life successfully. One of the most important objectives of Bharati Vidya Bhavan is to impart value education to our students and also make them aware and feel proud of the glorious cultural heritage, values, and traditions of Bharati Vidya Bhavan Vidyaashram.
Namaskar, this is me Surbhira Jawal from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram School, India. And in this video, I'm going to share my personal experience of the Goon competition. So before starting the video, I would like to thank Goethe Institute who has actually given me this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful competition. So starting from the very beginning, I actually joined the competition a bit late because of some technical issues, but then Brant Kudson sir, sorry if I'm spelling it wrong, but then yeah, he helped me to get through all that stuff and he made me log in the Groon site. So when I first logged in the Groon site, I found out that a lot of stuff was already done. So I was like, what am I gonna do now? But then I seeked help from other Groon students and other Groon people, and they proved to be really helpful. So it was fun working with them. It was fun working with the people that I had in my team. Like I had some people from Spain, some from Hong Kong and India itself. So it was fun working with them. It was actually very knowledgeable and productive working with them because every week or so we were given some new tasks to perform, new topics to research on. So it all proved to be really productive. And the best thing that I liked about this competition was I got to know so much in depth about the local environmental conditions of so many different countries that I know I couldn't have got this piece of information from anywhere else except in the locals. So thank you, Bloom, for that, and I'm really grateful to that. Thank you.
Namaskar, I Vaishnavi Sharma from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram Pratapnagar School, Jaipur, India. Feel so lucky that I got the chance to participate in the growing competition. It was a great experience to participate with students from your own age, from your own country, as well as from students from different countries, and sharing the ideas and definition of cleanliness on the same table. It was really fun and educational, the way we shared our issues, our problems of keeping our environment clean in our locality, and then working together towards it for finding solutions how to make our clean environment possible. So it was really very fun, really very educational, and amazing to work with such good people, which really taught us the value of teamwork by working in one team. So thank you, Gruen, for giving me this opportunity, um, and thank you all my teammates for supporting me.
Namaskar, I Tohinshu Mohan of class 10th participated in Gruen. It was a very great experience to work with Gruen. It was very thrilling to work with foreign students and exchange our ideas. I learned a lot of things from Gruen. They taught me about the sustainability and my environment. At the end, I would like to thank the Goethe Institute and my school for giving me this golden opportunity.
Namaskar, I am Munandita from class 10 and I took part in Gruen project. I had an amazing experience working with the students from different countries. I came across many new things. I enjoyed working with them on different projects and I loved exploring my city and my locality, and I hope they had a similar experience. I would like to thank Geotel Institute and my school for giving me such a golden opportunity which helped me in enhancing my knowledge and other skills. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone, I am Vanshika Chain from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram Pratapnagar, and I feel delighted to be a part of Gruen, where I could exchange my ideas on environment and greenery and interact with different people to know what their thoughts are on the same topic. And it has been wonderful to work with all of them, and I would like to thank Goethe University and my school for providing me with such an opportunity where I could learn new things even without knowing that I am doing something. Thank you.
Namaskar. I, Samarveer Sikand of class 11th, took part in the Gruen competition. I really learned many new things from this competition, like teamwork, enhanced my leadership skills, and more. I felt very honored to be the part of this competition, as this competition taught me many interesting facts about my city and locality. It was really very enjoying to work with the students of different countries. At last, I would thank Goethe Institute and my school for giving me this golden opportunity.
Namaskar. I, Shubhi Sharma, the school project coordinator, on behalf of all the Bhavanites, would like to express heartfelt thanks to Goethe Institute for such a golden opportunity to participate in Gruen project. Thank you so much.